Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add payment icon under the Buy It Now button in Shopify product page. Right now, I am on the Shopify store home page. This is basically under development. So scroll down. Here is the product. I am going to click on this product title to go to this page. Here is the product details page, and you can see that here is the add to cart button and make an inquiry buy it now, and we wanted to add payment icon under the buy it now button. Okay, so to add it, so this tutorials will be very helpful if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring a developer, without any coding skill. Then you can continue this video. Also, you can see that there is a button make an inquiry. Awesome. I have already published a video in my YouTube channel how to make an inquiry button, but in the upcoming video I am going to show you how to make a inquiry button fully customizable with contact us pop-up form that will load Ajax and show you thank you message after sent email. Okay, that is will be another awesome video, but right now we are going to add payment icon in here. Okay, to do this, first of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, and I don't like to waste your time by sharing a lot of unnecessary things or telling a lot of unnecessary story on the video to make the video length more and keep audience on the YouTube channel without any reason. So I'm going to click on the customize. We can do it within 1 minute. So simple text. Okay. In the customize section, click on the product title. For example, click on this product title. 1 second, we have to wait a little bit time. Okay, here is the product details page, and we wanted to add payment icon in here. Okay, to do this, just click on the add block, select custom liquid, then simply add a simple code snippet. Here is the ready code snippet, and your question will be how you will get the code snippet. You have to check out the video description. You will get the link of the code snippet, or you can go to the e-commerce thesis in my website. Just search on Google e-commerce thesis, then you will find my website link and you can easily collect the code. But the best way is to check out the description and go to the code source link directly. Okay, then add this code snippet in here. You see, then click on the save. Okay, now going to reload. You see, simple. Also, if you want to move it above the share button, looks good. Click on the save. Very simple and easy. Let me reload again. Wow, very simple. You see, here is the icon. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. And if you want to exclusive ready code snippet like this one that is fully customizable, then you can join my YouTube channel membership. So thank you for your time. So see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.